Wait, wait. She's hiding. She's hiding.
Hello, let's go.
Okay. Shh. Tell me when you're ready.
This play is the broken lawnmower, and it starts in my backyard. Doesn't seem to work. Gosh, I wish somebody was here to help me. You're last. Oh, I'm last. You're after Steve. Can I help? Sure, try it. Doesn't work. We need somebody else. Done. Gotta pull it. Does it work? It doesn't work. No, it doesn't work. We need somebody from the audience. I think we need Aunt Annie. Come on. Me? Yeah. You already did this show. No? Stevie, don't start chewing on that. Can you try it? I guess all I needed was a big jerk.
Poor mommy.
He wanted to get me on there too.
Go.
That's a naughty thing.
Okay.
Come on, Joe. You sit down.
Like yesterday, they say your name to come. Okay, you want to fight?
Carissa, Bobissa.
Okay, today is the time that we have a contestant here that wants to look at the ugliest man in the world. All the people that ever looked at the ugliest all the people that ever looked at the ugliest man in the world all died. So we're gonna see if the contestant died. Oh, our contestant didn't happen. I think we need a contestant from the audience. Alex, would you come up here? Would you see if you're brave enough? Don't scream. Remember, don't scream. I guess you wasn't the ugliest man in the world.
Naughty. Yay!
Thank you.
Very good.